This tech tutorial tips here, and today's episode I'll be showing you how to install winrar, how to extract winrar, and how to add files. Now I have the winrar downloaded in my computer, and there will be a link in the description where you're gonna download the winrar. So now I'm going to show you, firstly I'm going to show you how to install the winrar on your computer. Okay, you press Windows plus E in this PC. Okay, you see, yeah, you install it. Okay, you want it to open all these files. Okay, now it's installed, so then you click done. Now I'm going to show you a compressed folder, and okay, a compressed folder, and I am going to show you how to add it to winrar and how to extract it. Now this is the file. Yeah, let me see. Okay, okay. New and folder. You can type in new. Okay, then I want to put it inside this. I'm gonna open this way. So I want to extract it. I want to add it to winrar. Paste. You paste it inside. Then you right click on it. Then add to achieve. Yeah. Okay, it's already extracted. Now this is it. This is the button. Then you open it. When you open it, now you can see it's already the extracted. Then you want to extract it. Then you click back, and then extract this. Then you click extract to this desktop. Yeah, you click OK. Yes, to now it's extracted. Where is it? I'm gonna find it. Okay, new, then extracted. Okay, then I extracted it, then new. Now you can see it's already extracted in this place. So thanks for watching. I believe this tutorial will help you a lot, so please subscribe, like and comment to gain another video. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe, like, comment and don't forget to share.